So why don't we go ahead and figure out what the land of the midnight sun means. So what we're going to do is go higher up in latitude. The land of the midnight sun refers to Alaska, and that's not all of Alaska is about like a circle, but almost all of it. So we're going to move the dial all the way up. I'm going to put it at 80. That's good enough. 90 would be right at like the top of the Earth. So the Arctic Circle is around above 70 degrees. So I'm going to put it at 80, which is fine. Now what we're going to do is the same thing we did with Lakewood. We're going to go and move the brass fastener around. Let's go move it to the summer solstice. All right. Then what I'm going to do is move it around so that the green disc is horizontal. And let's move the arm around. What? Where does the sun set? Does a brass fastener ever go below the horizon? You can see the answer is no. When you're above the Arctic Circle, during the summer, on the summer solstice and near there, the sun does not set. It's very low on the horizon, but it doesn't set. So this is why they call it the land of the midnight sun. You can see that it does not go below the horizon. So you cannot put sunrise, it doesn't set. What we can do is measure the altitude. Oops, I've got my thing backwards here. Let's move this in the middle, and it's blurry. There we go. 10, 20, it's around 30 degrees. So again, it's not very high, but it's never sets. Now, watch what happens when you put it to the winter solstice. When is sunrise and sunset? Well, as you can see, the sun never rises. That means it never sets. It never goes above the horizon. So during the wintertime, a lot of people, especially above the Arctic Circle, experience a long time in darkness. This actually does affect the serotonin levels, and there's very high rates of depression and stuff like that in people up north. It's just what happens in those very high latitude areas.